My name is Frederick Maoga. I work with the Ministry of Education, Directorate of Quality Assurance and Standards. I'm very excited to be here attending this workshop, which is a very critical workshop, which gives us opportunity to reflect on the challenges that are being encountered during the actual teaching of numeracy in foundational classes. My engagement with the facilitator for this workshop and colleague participants has given me insights to reflect on, especially how we introduce numeracy to the foundational learners, the common mistakes which are made, which has come out to be that generalizations and assumptions that these learners already know some of the concepts, especially during the time of introduction of numbers. I think our engagements have given us opportunity to reflect on the shortcomings that our textbooks have, whereby the bit of how foundational numeracy pedagogies that are used and the methods that the textbooks use, where they have strengths and where they have challenges, and how we can be able to improve on them. Key of this is not exactly explaining or bringing out the concept of the use of concrete items, so that the learners can be able to synchronize it with the symbols that they are seeing, and then how they can be able to compound the two into the bit of working with numbers on matters pertaining to operations, the symbol addition, subtractions, and the reason why we need to do grouping and regrouping and all that. So it is really a very important session that we have had, which can also make us look at how the methods that we use in class, based on the fact that these learners are encountering numbers and numeracy at the very early stage. So it's a very, very engaging. My take home at this stage is that we need to give our teachers more support so that they can be able to use learner-centered teaching approaches, whereby we employ more the use of concrete items to enable the learners to reflect on the numbers, and by the fact that they could reflect, they could engage, they could attach the concrete items to real-life situations, it will make the learning of numeracy much easier to the learners. So thank you very much. It's been a very useful engagement.